This is reason two, body paragraph number two. And the body paragraph two is focused on the second reason that was mentioned in our thesis statement. So, on my thesis statement that I put, I, my second reason was that technology use should be limited because it could cause sleep problems. So, this here was my second reason, which is what my second body paragraph will be about. My first reason was that it could lead to obesity. That's my topic of my first body paragraph, which I showed you guys on day 5. Okay, but today, day 6, we're focusing on how technology use should be limited because it could cause sleep problems. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you guys an example of. And on reason 2, I went ahead and I created my topic sentence that introduces that reason. So I began with my transition. Um, these should have changed because we are working with the second body paragraph and it still has the suggestions like the first. So it should really be like secondly or second, another reason that, or the second reason that. Okay, so that should be that should be changed. So I just went ahead and I put another reason, and I wrote another reason technology should be limited is because it could cause sleep problems. So that's me, that's how I introduced that topic. And the next part is to write the citation. So the citation is follows the same way: you tag it, you verb it, and you quote it. So I put in the same article, the harmful effects of too much screen time for kids. Amy Morin states, although many parents use TV to wind down before bed, screen time before bed can backfire. The light emitted from screen interferes with the sleep cycle in the brain and can lead to insomnia. So that's the citation that supports my reason that should be limited because it could cause sleep problems. And in my elaboration, I have to explain the importance of this. Okay, why does this citation matter? So I put this is important because children need proper sleep in order to fully function. I need to elaborate on that, so I'm going to ask my question: why is that important? Well, lack of sleep could lead to tiredness, which could affect their performance in school. Why is that important? This could result in poor grades. All this could be avoided if kids had limited technology use, especially right before going to bed. So you want to do that when you're writing the elaboration is you want to ask yourself those questions. Why does this matter? Why is that important? And that's going to help you, that's going to help you elaborate on the importance of the citation. So that's essentially what you want to do in elaboration is you want to explain like the importance of, this quote, the citation. You want to explain the importance of it and you want to do it in your own words. Okay, so there are 2 boxes here, but you've only had to do one of them. So then the last part of the body paragraph is the transitional sentence. So you want to start with a transition. I started with in addition, and I got that from here as one of the suggestions. So I put in addition to causing lack of sleep. So I wrote that because that's the topic of body paragraph number 2, the one I just wrote. And then I put in addition to causing lack of sleep, too much technology could also cause exhaustion and stress on the brain. And I put that because that's going to be my topic for my body paragraph number 3. So you want to do that. You want to include a transition. That's why it is called a transitional sentence. You want to include the reason that you just focused on in that paragraph. And then you want to include the reason that you're going to focus on in the upcoming paragraph. And that's it, you guys, for body paragraph 2. Next video will be about the counter argument.